Today,
we're going to
win the lottery.
win the lottery.
I'm going to
pick a number by
winning.
what?
the winning number.
I'm going to pick the winning number.
And the first number
The
is.
first number is
Ready, ready.
what's this?
Show it to me.
Show it to me.
Wait, is it? Wait, 65,
It's 20,
25.
25.
Wait, it's blurred. Yan. Okay.
25. First number, 25.
I got 27.
This is 56. 56.
Okay.
I got
Number 20. 20.
I got 36.
36.
I
36.
got 41. I got 41.
41. And it's 14. It's number 14.
Kailangan nila.
34.
Oh, last one, that
That
one.
is 34.
34. Number 34.
Number
Okay.
34.
Alright. Next draw.
Next row. Ikaw naman, mami.
Wait, kaya na.
Okay, kaya niya yan, sir. Tiyaw niya.
Yeah, wait. Shake
Wait,
first.
wait. We need to put back this. Okay.
Alright.
Second round.
Oops.
What's that? No, don't put it back. Don't put it back.
I want 30.
Pinalik na.
30.
30. Okay. When you got 2, don't put back.
What's this? 85?
No, it's 58. 58.
What's the 2?
2. Alright.
And
2.
then-
When you got 2, don't put it back, okay?
What's this? 25?
50. 52.
52. I got 55.
55 mga kats ka bola, Gio. 55. 55.
89.
It's 28.
Wait.
28.
Yari na la 6.
Nasaan pa?
Okay na? Wait.
Misan pa.
One more draw.
Wait. Enough. We need to put back this. Last one. Last round. Shake it first. Yan. Yan.
Okay.
Yan. Precise. Yan. Yan.
I got
Not 21.
33.
Uy.
33, 37, 33 yung first one.
So
I
yan.
told you, my dear, when you get the first ball, 55.
It should only be one, you said.
No, if you got 2, just give it to me, okay?
Okay na.
55. Eh?
I got
37.
43.
38.
38.
43 na.
I got
107, 38. Ito lang.
46.
Yes, 46. 46.
20.
20. Yeah, 20. Number
Kapag linuhan na rin, pinunta mo, tayo lalal video.
8. Okay. Enough,
No
enough,
more na,
enough,
anak na.
enough.
Say bye.
Bye.
Video.
Yan.
Paano mo mga
Wow.
Dala ng map.
Dati lang mga auto.
Hello.
Uy, kahit ano lang.
Pag magulog.
Yes, we're gonna buy some candy. And we're gonna buy a lot of candy with this. Hi guys, masaya namin Lotto. Winning jackpot, 300 million. For Gio. Bye bye guys.